Okay, so today we're going to do a little shoulder and neck release. So make sure that the swing is at hip width level. And then you're going to want to fold the swing in half. So fluff it out and then bring both the edges together, give it a little shake. And then to come in your swing, you're going to stand in front of it, place the thumbs in the swing, fingers on the outside, slide the hands down near the bum, press down, and then slowly lift yourself up into the swing. Take your hands to the back side of the swing, and then you're going to spread all that extra fabric out that's behind you. And then tuck it back in by the sides of the hips like you're wrapping a little present. That's kind of our safety seat belt. And then grab the sides of the swing, bring the hands about shoulder level, a little bit lower if you feel comfortable. Start to lean back as you take the legs really wide. And then wrap the knees and tuck the toes. As soon as the toes are tucked, you're safe to let go with the hands. You can use the long handles to take yourself all the way down if you like. Once you're down, you can grab opposite elbows or maybe bring the soles of the feet together. Again, whatever feels good to you here. Then place the hands lightly on the mat. Don't push down, but walk your hands forward. And then allow the back to relax and the head hang for a nice little spinal stretch. Start to slide back underneath the swing. Lace the hands together behind the back and allow them to come down towards the earth. And gently release those hands. You can grab the long handles and unwrap them from the swing if they're tangled. Then bring those straps around to the back side of the body for a nice little tricep stretch. Then to come up, you can use the long handles to take you up if you need to, or grab the sides of the swing and then take the legs wide and pull yourself up nice and slow. Let's bring those feet into the long handles, arms come through, and then bring the head down for a little rest. And then that's how you come into hanging back.